Go ahead and label them O2 because oxygen never travels alone. It always has a partner. O sub 2 for all 8. We'll have 4 for our normal hemoglobin and 4 for our sickle cell hemoglobin. All right, obtain your green square. This is going to turn into this folded. It's not too hard of a build. This is green for healthy hemoglobin. As you can see, it won't make sense until it's folded, but you have subunit 1, 2, 3, and 4. You also have 4 oxygen attachment spots, and at the edge of each of the subunits, you have a blood or water-loving glutamic acid amino acid. This is hydrophilic. It absolutely loves water-based solutions such as blood. So go ahead and take 4 of your oxygens and put them on the iron because remember, iron attracts oxygen. You're now ready to begin folding. Okay, take your square and turn it upside down. And let's go corner to corner with a solid crease. And then open it back up. And then go opposite corner to corner with a solid crease. When you open up the back, you should see a creased X. Now turn it back around. Now we need to create this shape. So what you're going to do on every dotted line, you're going to fold down and you're going to bring the 2 creases together. So I'm going to bring these 2 creases together like so by folding down on my dotted line. I'll bring this crease and this crease together by folding down on the dotted line. This crease with that crease together. So you're folding on the oxygen. It's not perfect, but it is a model, an accurate model. Now you have, you could do some stability taping, just kind of towards the center. Put a piece of tape or 2 like that, just to keep the fold in check. The taping doesn't have to be perfect. Now you have a healthy, bouncy, water-loving hemoglobin with 1, 2, 3, 4 oxygens attached. Okay, so go ahead and get out your pink paper. This is going to come together to make the sickle-celled hemoglobin protein. Go ahead and attach your oxygen to your irons because iron attracts oxygen. And observe that you're looking at hemoglobin subunit 1, 2, 3, and 4. And in the corner of each, you have the villain valine, which is blood and water-based fluid hating. It's hydrophobic. So once it looks like this, go ahead and begin cutting out your valine into 4 subunits. All 4 subunits should be cut out and ready to fold. All right, obtain 1 of your 4 sickle cell hemoglobin subunits and flip it upside down so that the villain valine is in the upper left-hand corner. Then do a couple simple folds. Fold it in half, open it up, and then fold into the middle on both sides. Now you have a little book. Next, open up the book, fold in the left side, go to the left corner, and fold in to the 3/4 crease right there. Open up your folds. Take your valine in the upper left-hand corner and move it down to the bottom right corner. Close in the left side of the book. Take the lower left-hand corner and fold it into the 3/4 line, like so. Crease. Make sure it looks like this. Fold the valine door over like that. Turn it so the valine's in the upper right-hand corner. It looks like a house with a chimney. Go to the lower left. Pay attention, this is tricky. And tuck it underneath this little door right there. So bring this corner all the way up to where it says the word pocket and crease. crease. Now we're going to fold our ears over, the valine and this triangle down like that. And do the same over here. Take that piece and fold it over. So we've got our little ears. Final step, go to where it says iron and fold on the dotted lines right there. Fold on that dotted line right there. And it should look like this. This is one of the 4 diseased subunits. All right, so take your 4 diseased hemoglobin subunits and we're going to link them together and you're going to need to secure it with tape. So flip one over so you see the pocket and find the valine on another one. Make sure the valine's folded over and then face down, insert it into the pocket like so. Put a little piece of tape, the valine is completely hidden. And you see it's going to start forming this rod. Find the next pocket and find the valine on the next one. Upside down, insert it, and tape it. Find the next pocket and the last one. Find the valine, upside down, insert it into the pocket. And voila, you got yourself a 4 hemoglobin sickled protein. Now we're going to form even longer rods and chains. This is what's going to cause the RBC, the red blood cell, to raise it in on itself. So go ahead and find the pocket on one and the valine on another, and then upside down, put it in. This is your lab group's hemoglobin. And tape it. And then give this to Miss Brooker. I will come around and make a whole class hemoglobin that is sickled.